I'm Adam. Today, I'm reviewing one of the most trusted names in home security, ADT. If you're thinking about upgrading your home's protection, make sure to check the link in the description and the first comment below. That link will take you to a better alternative that's absolutely worth looking into after this review. Now, let's talk about ADT. This company has been around for a long time, and for good reason. They've built a reputation on professional monitoring, expert installation, and reliable equipment that homeowners can count on. When it comes to keeping your home protected, ADT takes a professional approach that gives you peace of mind around the clock. One of the biggest strengths of ADT is that everything is handled for you. From setup to ongoing support, ADT provides professional installation by trained technicians who make sure every sensor, camera, and alarm is optimized for your specific home. It's not a system you have to figure out on your own. It's done right the first time, and that's something that makes a real difference when your security is on the line. The monitoring is another standout feature. ADT's monitoring centers are staffed 24/7, ready to respond to any alert in seconds. Whether you're home, asleep, or halfway across the country, someone's always watching over your property. That level of dedication is what makes ADT one of the most respected names in the industry. And let's talk about the equipment itself. ADT uses high-quality, professional-grade gear designed for durability and reliability. Their motion sensors, door and window detectors, and indoor and outdoor cameras all integrate seamlessly with the ADT Control app. That app gives you real-time access to your system. You can arm or disarm, check camera feeds, and get instant alerts no matter where you are. Another nice thing about ADT is that their systems can be customized for your exact needs. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large home, they'll tailor the setup to match your space and lifestyle. And because ADT offers plans that bundle professional equipment and monitoring, many homeowners find they get upfront savings compared to buying everything separately. Those long-term service plans not only make budgeting easier, but also ensure you're always backed by a professional support team. The mobile app is also worth mentioning. It's smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate. You can control lights, locks, and even thermostats depending on your setup. Everything works together to create a secure, connected environment that gives you total control and confidence. Now, while ADT is an excellent choice for anyone who values professional service and high-end reliability, I've also linked a better alternative below that's definitely worth checking out. You'll find that link in the first comment and in the description of this video. To sum it up, ADT delivers a powerful combination of trusted monitoring, professional installation, and high-quality equipment. It's a great option for homeowners who want a worry-free security experience from a name that's proven and dependable. Don't forget, if you want to see what I consider an even better alternative, just click the link in the description or the first comment below. I've personally reviewed it, and it's something you'll definitely want to compare before making a final decision. I'm Adam. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next review.